Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. We're going to be using an emulator called BlueStacks. So over here in bluestacks.com, you're going to go down to where you have download, and we're going to download the BlueStacks app. I already have mine, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. In order to do this, you can tap on your Windows button and search for BlueStacks. Now, when you search for BlueStacks, you have BlueStacks 5. However, we're using BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. So we're going to click on it to open it. Now we have the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager. Here you can start multiple BlueStacks app players. We're going to start with the first one. And after clicking on start, you can see it's changed to stop because it's currently loading the first instance. We're going to wait for it to load. Now, if you're using BlueStacks for the first time, you will be required to log in using your email address. So go ahead and follow the steps for the first time user as a BlueStacks app player user. This will enable you to search for Roblox on BlueStacks in order to download it. For example, at the top here, you have search for games and apps. So you can come here and search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, you will have this. Now, because we have Roblox already, we have to launch it. But for you, you're going to need to download it. So you can go ahead and click on Roblox. And right here, we have our first instance of Roblox. When we go over to our BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager, we can come over to the bottom left corner and click on Instance. Here it says Fresh Instance or clone the chosen instance to be duplicated. So we're going to go ahead and click on Fresh Instance. You're going to choose the Android version, and among the options, we're going to choose Pi 64-bit because this is already installed. Click on Next. And you have some settings right here to make sure of. You could leave it as is, but if you want to make some more customizations, you can go ahead. We're going to click on Create. And here we have the second BlueStacks app player ready to be started. We're going to start it. And currently the second BlueStacks app player is opening. And now, as you can see, we have our BlueStacks player loaded up. And you can see there are currently two, as you can see right here, BlueStacks app player, and here BlueStacks app player 2. And so right here, you can click on System Apps, click on Play Store, and we've been notified to sign in. However, in the first BlueStacks player, we already have our Google Play account. So with this, you can go ahead and log into your Google in the second BlueStacks app player, search for Roblox, download it, and use a different account from the first one. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.